welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King, for those of you who don't know me. And today we are gonna make a beautiful centerpiece that you can use for Memorial Day, or you could use it for the 4th of July, because the flag, the American flag colors, are gonna be represented in this centerpiece. So let me begin by telling you the things that you're gonna need for this centerpiece. Also, let me add, all of these items come from Dollar Tree, so everything is 100% from Dollar Tree. So you're gonna need some floral foam, 2 of them, a charger plate. I'm going with silver. You can go with gold if you choose. These candle holders, make sure you have different sizes. Use the same kind, but just different sizes. And I have 3 different sizes. Then you need a small candle holder bowl like this, 3 of them. Candles that can fit nicely into the bowl. I'm also going to be using gems, blue, red, and clear. 2 American flags, small flags. Patriotic flowers, red, white, and blue. A wire cutter for your flowers. E6000. And a hot glue gun. So I think I covered everything that you're gonna need for this project. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna take my gems and I'm gonna put them in these candle holders. I'm making sure I don't overfill them because I'm gonna put the small candle holder bowls on top. I'm gonna glue those down onto here. Take your E6000, and I'm gonna apply that to the rim of these small candle holders. Next, we're going to take our charger plate and we're going to put the floral foam on this. I'm going to take both of the floral foams and glue them together so I can make sure that they're like leveled when I put them onto the charger plate. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring the candle holders back in. Please allow a day for drying for the candle holders. But I'm gonna go ahead and start working with them right now so that you can see how to put this centerpiece together. So, because my candle holders have like a slant, I'm gonna turn them to the side so no matter which place people are sitting at the table, they can see the same thing. So now I'm gonna just place my candle holders onto the floral foam. I'm gonna give them some hot glue just to help them stay in place. I'm not sure if the hot glue is gonna help them too much. Okay, so I placed the candles onto the floral foam. I made like a zigzag, like I put this one to the front and I put these two to the back, because if I tried to line all three of them up, it won't be enough room for them to fit, and you will have the two on the end kind of hanging off. So I wanted to make sure everything was placed on the floral foam, nice and firm, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it some hot glue. Hopefully this helps a little. We're just trying to get it to stay in place. And minimize movement. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to cluster my colors. So in the middle, I'm gonna put red to kind of coordinate with the red here. On this side, I'm gonna put the white flowers. And then on this side, I'm gonna put the blue flowers. So I'm doing like a clustered look or a clustered arrangement. As you can see, the hot glue did not hold it. But let's hope that, I mean, it's sitting on here nice and firm. So you probably just want to be careful when you're moving it around. But the hot glue did not do a whole lot to keep it in place because of the glass. But these two seem okay. So right now I'm just continuing to fill in the flowers. Okay, I have put the flowers all in. Now I'm gonna get ready to put the gems in. Now, if you have a candle holder that starts wobbling, just be very careful because I'm afraid that it's going to hit one of these and end up breaking. So I got one runaway candle holder, but just be careful. And just make sure you think about that when you're moving it around and placing it on the table, that it is loose. And also, if you have any suggestions of how I could have made sure, or how I could have glued these down, or just made sure that they stayed in place, please comment below and let me know. So now I'm gonna insert my flags. I wanna insert them at like a slant. Just trying to figure out the best position. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you see how it looks all around. I end up giving that red candle holder some more glue. It seems like that helped it some. So this is how it looks all around. I am very happy with this centerpiece. I love the way that it turned out. What I like about this centerpiece, I like the candle holders. And I did not have this idea initially, and this kind of took on a mind of its own. I like that the colors, the flag colors are represented. Even though these are clear, you do get the idea. I also like that I added the gems in the little candle holder here. Also, I like my floral arrangement. I love the way the colors are clustered together. Initially, I wanted to make my floral arrangement into a dome shape. And so when I got to thinking about it, I thought about how the flag has a rectangle shape. So definitely it was okay for my arrangement to have like a square shape to kind of mimic the flag. Another thing I like about this centerpiece is that it takes care of both Memorial Day and it takes care of the 4th of July. So you can knock out 2 holidays with this centerpiece. And also don't forget that this centerpiece is very affordable. All of the items are from Dollar Tree. So you can get everything from Dollar Tree. So please tell me what you think of this centerpiece. Comment below. Don't forget to tell me what I could have did to make these candles stay a little bit better, even though I had 2 out of 3 act right on me. But just tell me what I could have did in order to just make them a little bit more sturdy. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so now. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and also share with somebody, if somebody that you know of that will be interested in making this centerpiece for Memorial Day or for the 4th of July, go ahead and share it with them. Thank you for tuning in with me today. Until I see you next time, bye.